welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy. Here you can see we got a fairy garden. It has 2 fairies. And I got my scissors here, just in case I need help opening it. So let's open this. You can see it's hard to open. Let's use my scissors now. Now it's easier to open. Let's open up the box. So here you can see we got the flower bowl, and here we got our instructions. And here are the stickers. Here is the bridge and the little plate thingy. Oh, and the little mini door. And take out the berries and the unicorn. Here we got the berries. So let's take out the fairies now. Actually, we're going to use my hands. Looks like there's something else behind here that we should take out first. What's left? Let's take out the roof, the mushroom roof, and then here we got our scissors that we will take out. The unicorn. And the next one I also need to take out one by one at a time. And be careful. There we got the unicorn out. Now all we need is our 2 fairies. Got one out, the next one, and now we'll get the last fairy out. Got 1 and 2. Now we got all the fairies out and all the accessories. So at first, we will start with the soil. Now let's unpack everything that came with the fairy garden. There we see, we got that off. So we got a little hole for me now to open. Got the 2 bridge flags. Here we got the little eagle and the little house store. This is the little gates. Here you can see we got the little grass seeds and the little flowers, these little blocks. Here we got the little things. We got these two little sticks to hang up our decorations. Let's put them over there together so we don't forget. Now let's open up the next one. There we go. Looks like these stuff go together to make the little house. This there. 2 windows for the fairies. And the mushroom leaves. And the little bridge, for the bridge to be built. We got another little door, and we will be putting it right there. Let's start with the next bag. This. There we go. We got the bag open where the light is. Mushroom. Now let's start building. So the fairy garden did not come with any soil. So today I'll be using my mommy's garden soil to grow the grass. Let's get started. So I will be putting the soil now in there. And I will be flattening it down before I put the water in there. And now let's start with the water. Get every tiny little bit. And we're done with the water now. Now, let's build it. And first, I will start So our fairy garden is finally finished, and that we planted the grass seeds. I got lots of help from my mommy and daddy, and it was a little bit hard to make, so I got help from my mommy and daddy. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up.